Hey fellow dice rollers, Kai here with Apex Magnets. Whether you're seeking treasure in a dungeon or leading futuristic tanks into battle, there's one tiny but mighty tool that can level up your tabletop experience: magnets. We recently sat down with Master Builder Etiquette, a seasoned miniature creator and painter, to dive into the many ways magnets make hobby modeling more creative, cost-effective, and just plain cooler. So, we all know models aren't cheap, especially when new rulebooks call for different loadouts. That's where magnets shine. Try utilizing small disc magnets, like 3mm by 1mm, to attach interchangeable weapons on Warhammer tanks, such as the iconic Land Raider. Instead of gluing a weapon permanently, magnets let you swap pieces, keeping your army adaptable and game legal. As a bonus, you can pose your models in more dynamic stances. Your tank will look like it's actually in battle, not just stuck in one static pose. Working with large resin or 3D printed models, you'll need stronger magnets that cover more surface area. Try a 3/4 by 1/16 disc magnet, ideal for supporting heavy parts like cannons or other massive models. These magnets give your pieces enough grip to stay put during gameplay while still letting them pop off safely if dropped, saving both paint jobs and your wallet. The next way to use disc magnets is a real power-up for your miniatures, literally. You can light up fireballs, magic effects, and glowing eyes by using thin disc magnets as conductive points for LED wiring. Swappable batteries, replaceable bulbs, and flickering effects bring your models to life in new ways. The magnet does not affect the conductivity of the flat battery, but it does hold it in place. Get ready to really impress your friends. Here are a few other pro tips. Use plastic tweezers or a magnet applicator tool to avoid the frustration of your metal tweezers sticking to your magnets. If you're using an applicator tool to easily place your magnets on or within a tiny, delicate model, it might be worthwhile to grab off our website one of our electronic pole identifiers or a magnetic pole finder so you can quickly and easily identify the positive side and the negative sides of the magnet. This ensures you line up the correct sides of your magnets before gluing them into your interchangeable models. Nothing is more frustrating than spending the time to paint a piece, add a magnet to it, and find out you glued the magnet in backwards. Yikes! Whether you're new to tabletop gaming or seasoned hobbyist, magnets offer a game-changing way to build smarter, play harder, and travel safer. With a little creativity and the right magnet sizes, you can transform how your miniatures move, light up, and fight. At Apex Magnets, we stock a wide range of hobby-ready magnets, from tiny discs to terrain-worthy blocks. Are you ready to magnetize your minis? Then check out what we have in stock at apexmagnets.com. We look forward to seeing what some creativity and magnetic magic bring to the gaming table. Once again, this is Kai with Apex Magnets, and thanks for watching.